The Maule now. John McArdle. Taking a bite, and he's off too. We've got some good wind for them now during about a year. Newly licensed pilot. He's got about 250 hours total time with 200 hours in a current plane. Look at the tail get up. He's going to time it, slam it down. Also off in that 100 to 125 range. We are going to see quite the race in a Cherokee 180 combined score of 519. McArdle now, holding it off. Good. Getting those brakes as tight as he can. You'll see with the tailwheel aircraft, they need to play that balance between brake pressure and aerodynamic pressures on the tail, keeping the tail down. You don't want to end up with your nose in the mud. That one was called good.